Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs ski review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Montane Dart Zip tee, and this tee is something to consider if you do a bit of trail running or fast-paced hiking. I'll get into that in more detail later on. So let's take a look at the key features. So first off, it is made from 100% recycled material, which is fantastic. And that material also features Apex Eco as well, which is going to help with the wicking and the moisture and the core body temperature, should we say. That material also features POLYGIENE technology, which basically it's like an odour treatment. So it's gonna help reduce the odour of this wickable t-shirt as well, which is fantastic, which is what you need in this type of gear. It has a SPF rating of 20 plus, so it's going to give you nice protection against the sun, and also as well, of course, it's moisture wickable, and it's also nice and breathable. So it's going to keep you cool, it's going to react to your overall body temperature, and then it's just going to help, you know, with your core. So it's going to breathe if you get a little bit hot, which means, you know, you're not going to get too flustered. But if it is a little bit chilly, it's a little bit cool, it's going to react and it's going to trap that air, and it's going to keep you nice and warm. Anyway, that's the key features. Let's take a closer look. Again, there's not massive amounts of detailing to it because, well, basically it's a t-shirt. So that's the fit itself. That's the t-shirt itself. The fit is a regular fit. So again, it's ideal if you're after something that's a little bit looser, a little bit more freer, but it's obviously going to give you all the protection that you need. The key feature obviously is going to be in this zip here. I'll just undo that. It's a quarter zip, so it's going to open up nicely, means you'll be able to get this over your head nice and easily. And the zip itself has a flush guard to it, so if it is a bit chilly, it's going to stop that wind chill going through the zip and then interfering with your overall core body temperature. And then just zip it up. There is a small collar on the neck as well, which is going to fit nicely around there. It just means it's going to, I don't know, it's just going to stop the air maybe from getting through into there. It's just going to help with the overall fit and the overall design of the tee itself. But other than that, it's pretty much a standard affair. If I flip it around the back here, what you will notice, actually no, let's bring it around to the front. What you will notice, the stitching itself is minimal on this t-shirt, and the stitching that they have is offset and it is flat lock as well. So one, that means it's going to reduce irritation, and two, because it's offset, it's not, again, it's not on any pressure points when it comes to wearing this tee. But because they've reduced the stitching and made it more open panel, it just means that that POLYGIENE technology, the Apex Eco technology that this tee features, really is maximized. There's no additional stitching or reduced stitching, should I say. There's reduced stitching, so then you can really maximize the wickability and the breathability of this tee, which is fantastic. And again, open panel on there. The only thing you've got is the Montane logo on there, which looks like it has some sort of reflective tech, which is good for low level. And then on the back there, again, it's just an open back panel. So who is the Dart Zip for? Well, really, if you're trail running, if you're doing some fast-paced hiking, or if you're doing some backpacking in hotter climates, and you just want a t-shirt that's going to feel nice and comfortable against your skin, it has great odor resistancy, and it's just going to work with your core body temperature. So it's going to keep you cool when it needs to, and then if it gets a bit chillier, it's going to react and it's going to trap that air around your core body temperature, and it's going to get you nice and warm, very much like a base layer system. And again, if you want to wear this as a 3-in-1 system as well for the autumn and winter time, you can do so. Again, it's personal preference on how you feel the cold, or feel the warmth as well. But yeah, I don't see why you couldn't wear this in the 3-in-1 system as well for the autumn and the winter time as well. Anyway, if you want any more information about the Dart Zip, just click in the link that's pinned in the comments below, or just head over to webtogs.com. Whilst you're over on webtogs.com, our fantastic website, you might notice a really cool initiative that we're doing at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So every order that is placed through our website, we will be planting a tree. That initiative is fantastic, and we are super excited about it over at Webtogs HQ. But what a lot of people don't realise is how eco-friendly our warehouse is. So our warehouse has our carbon emissions down by 93.5% as of recording, which within itself is fantastic, because that basically means our warehouse is one of the most friendly, if not the most eco-friendly warehouse in Europe, and it is one of the at least top 5 eco-friendly warehouses in the world, again, as of recording. So that is fantastic within itself. But when you combine the Planted Tree, Place an Order Planted Tree initiative and our low carbon emissions, it actually does something rather cool, rather special, which I don't think, as of recording, not many other companies can say. So that one tree that you're going to be planting by placing an order through our website actually offsets the carbon emission of 3 other Webtog orders. How fantastic is that? So that one tree that we're going to plant is going to wipe off the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders, which again, those 3 orders are also going to be planting trees as well. So it's just a fantastic initiative that we're super excited about. And again, the only reason why that works is because of our eco-friendly warehouse. Anyway, if you want to find out more about that scheme or initiative, should I say, again, it's going to be pinned in the comments below. I'm going to stop blabbering on now. I'm going to let you guys and girls continue with your day. Thanks for watching and happy trails.